Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with equal groups. We have a problem related to TEKS 5.3L, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a camp counselor, and we've got a 7 mile hike, and we've got segments that are each half-mile long. And then how many segments do we have on the trail? Well, we have a few words that let us know that we're dealing with an equal groups word problem. So when we split something, that should make us think division. And each segments that were each, and then they're going to give us a quantity here. So between the split and the words segments that were each, this lets us know that we have an equal groups problem. So equal groups problems have some type of statement that let you know that every group is the same amount, whether it says split evenly or divided equally or the same number in each group. Sometimes it might just be the word each. But if you think that each group is equal, that means we're dealing with multiplication or division. The fact that we say split makes us think it's probably division. And then there's going to be Uh, two of these three things that we're looking for. We're looking for total number of groups and then the number in each group. They're going to give you two and ask you for the third. So let's take a look at our two quantities we have here. We have a 7 mile hiking trail. So that hiking trail is not being added to, or it's not part of a group. It seems like it's going to be the total. That's how long the hiking trail is. So let's label this as our total. Now we've got each group or each segment was a half-mile long. So this is going to be the number in each group. And the reason I say that is because these segments right here, see that right there? That's being asked for. What it was the number of segments. And so since that word segments there is being used to describe that each segment was an equal amount, then that's going to be what our group is, number of groups. And so we're just looking for the number of groups or the number of segments, and each segment is half-mile. That's how much is in each of these segments. So we can represent this with a strip diagram. So I'm going to put my total on the top. I'm going to label it with it's a line that goes all the way across. You might do a bar, it might go on the top, it might go on the bottom. Many different ways that we can represent a total. And then we have the number in each group. So I know that these are half-mile segments, but I don't know how many segments there are. So I'm going to represent that with a line kind of broken up by a question mark. If I knew the number of groups, I would put that many groups underneath the 7. I just don't know how many halves go into 7. So really what we're looking at here, that's our strip diagram. We are looking at 7 divided by 1/2. We're dividing a whole number by a unit fraction. Now, there's a few different ways we can look at this. If you remember what you were taught in 5th grade, we know that dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. That is a key mathematical fact you need to learn. So division and multiplication are inverse operations. So if we take the division and we take the inverse, so the inverse of division is multiplication, and then we take that divisor 1/2 and we flip it. That's taking the reciprocal. And we end up getting 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is 2 ones or 2 wholes. That really is just the same as 7 times 2. Well, 7 times 2, that's pretty easy. So that's going to be 14, any way you look at it. If we think about it, we're going to take that 7 miles and we're going to cut that into, all right, let's just take our 7 miles and let's say we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each of these are going to be cut in half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you were to count each of those segments, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 segments. So 7 divided by 1/2 equals 14. Our answer is D.